In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record reimbursable expenses in QuickBooks. If you ever pay for something on behalf of a customer and need to bill that cost back later, QuickBooks makes the process pretty straightforward once the right settings are turned on. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to enable reimbursable expense tracking. Enter the expense correctly, and then add it to a customer invoice. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, go to the gear icon and select Account and Settings. From there, open the Expenses tab. This is where QuickBooks lets you control how customer-related expenses are tracked. Now turn on Track Expenses and Items by Customer. This setting allows you to connect a purchase or expense directly to a specific customer or project. Then turn on Make Expenses and Items Billable. This is the feature that tells QuickBooks you may want to charge that expense back to the customer later. After both settings are enabled, click Save, and then click Done. Next, click Plus New. You'll now choose the type of transaction you want to enter. Select Expense, Check, or Bill, depending on how the purchase was made or how you want to record it in your books. Then enter the expense details as usual, including the payee, payment account, category, and amount. As you complete the form, look for the customer or project column and select the customer who should be reimbursed for the expense. This step is very important because it links the cost to the correct customer record. After that, check the billable box. If your setup requires a billable rate, verify that the rate shown is correct before moving on. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close. Now it's time to invoice the customer. Create a new invoice and select the same customer you used on the billable expense. When you do this, QuickBooks should automatically display the billable expenses associated with that customer in the invoice window. Review those billable expenses carefully, then add the reimbursable expense to the invoice. Before finishing, take a moment to review the invoice details. Make sure the customer information, expense amount, and any related descriptions are accurate. This final review helps prevent billing mistakes and keeps your records clean and professional. When you're ready, click Save and Send if you want to email the invoice right away, or choose Save and Close if you plan to send it later. And that's how to record reimbursable expenses in QuickBooks. Thanks for watching.